Friends, I'm extremely excited today because I was able to turn $3 into $1,058 as you can see here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to do so. But firstly, some of in my previous YouTube videos I saw that people are saying this is a demo account, so what I will do is I will do reload, and you can see this is not a demo account, instead it is a real fund. Okay, so watch this video very carefully because I am exactly going to show you how I was able to turn $3 into $1,058. And the strategy is extremely simple, which I'm going to explain you first, and then I'm going to show you the exact video where I was able to turn this $3 into $1,058. So get excited and relax and watch this video very carefully. And by the way, if you want some free binary signals to trade binary options in a profitable way, then you can join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then the instruction to copy my trades directly will be also given in the free Telegram channel. So watch this video very carefully now. So firstly you do is make all of this currency pair that has a decent payout of 92% and put all of these in here by making it yellow in this way, and then select the trading time frame as 10. That means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame. Another thing you need to do is you need to, if it is flag at here, make it clock and select the time frame as 5 and increase it to as 10. And this indicator you need to put, that is called parabolic SAR. So to put this indicator, just click on here and see where the parabolic SAR is. Here it is. Just click on parabolic SAR and it will be implemented at here. Now once you do this much, then the strategy is extremely simple. You just need to see whenever the parabolic SAR is forming above the candles, then that means it is a downtrend. And when you see this kind of strong momentum where the candles are going downwards forcefully, at that time you make trade by clicking on lower, and then switch to another currency pair and see if the, let's see, in another currency pair, let's switch to another currency pair. So like for example, if you see the parabolic SAR is forming below these candles and market is strongly going up, at that exact time you make trade by clicking on higher. The strategy is as simple as that. Now I will keep quiet and show you the exact video where I was able to turn $3 into $1,058 within few minutes. So watch this video very carefully.